This is my new Harry Potter Lego set. Let's build it together.
Michael and Evie's Lego Builder Show.
In this set, there is the sorting hat, the Gryffindor sword, and the baby phoenix. We're working on the stand. Snap. And snap. It doesn't matter which way you do it. We're finishing the perch.
And then where does that go?
It goes right here. At first, it doesn't look like they align, but it will align. We're putting some gold on the side of the stand. We might have to, pick it up.
Doesn't want to line up?
Yep. There.
Okay.
We're starting on Phoenix. The Phoenix, his name is Fawkes. It's Dumbledore's pet Phoenix.
Yep. Fawkes. Dumbledore's pet Phoenix.
We're working on Fawkes's belly, the Phoenix.
Looks pretty cool already, though.
Yeah. We're working on Fawkes's belly.
And his neck. Nice.
Mm-hmm. We're working on the feet.
The legs and the feet.
Yep. Then lines up like that.
Yep.
And then you put this on right there like that. And then put it like this.
But you need two of them, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So then let's put them on.
This one on this side.
So the claw goes up.
Okay.
Yep. There you go. Then you just snap it in. It's going to go at like an angle. There you go. So it should end up at about the same angle as the other leg, right?
Yeah.
So try to line those up and that'll help you. You got it.
Like
All right.
that.
Look at those cool claws that it has. It doesn't quite look like a phoenix yet, does it?
No. It just looks like a bird.
Or a weird elephant.
Yeah. We're working on the feathers. The wings. Big one, and then another big one, and a little one, and then another little one. Like that.
Yep. And then right there.
It looks like this one goes on there. That. And the other one goes on the other side like this. And then there.
All right. Looks like a bird to me.
Mm-hmm. We're working on the head. This. I think the pink is the brain. They have pink instead of everyone's head in Legos.
Yeah, just like when we made Dobby, there was pink up inside of his head.
We're working on the crest.
And what's the crest?
It's the feathers, but on the bird's head.
And then after that, I think the head might be done, right?
Yeah. And then these go down, and this one goes up like that.
Sure.
Maybe like that.
All right, put the head on.
Now, It's complete. The Fawkes the Phoenix.
I don't know that it's done. We still have some other stuff to do, but it's looking pretty good.
Yeah. We're finishing up the tail. We're just putting these on. We have to put one of them on. We need to do 1, 2, and then 3. The last one.
All right. And then put it on.
There.
Perfect.
Now I'm pretty sure it's done now.
Yep, we have a couple of other things to make now.
Yeah, we're working on the Gryffindor sword. This is like the handle.
This is the handle.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
like the
this
blade.
is the blade.
Yep. I know it's weird because it's got those
There's
little.
tiny hole in those.
Yep.
There. We're working on the sword again. Not Slytherin.
Gryffindor! All right, it's done. Tell everybody about Fawkes Dumbledore's Phoenix.
It's like the best Harry Potter Lego set I have so far.
Wait, you like it even more than Dobby?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty high praise. Okay.
There's a lot more stuff in it.
Yeah, because it's got the sorting hat, a baby phoenix, Gryffindor sword, and then look at all the parts that move. Show everybody what all you can move on this thing.
Move these.
Yep.
And you can move this.
So the
The
wings.
same with the other one. And you can move the tail.
Yep.
Move this.
His claws.
And you can move the head. And it can spin around. It can also spin around like this.
Yep. And that beak moves up and down, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and the crown feathers too. So there's lots of different ways that you can set that up. I think it's going to look amazing on your shelf right next to Dobby. And then, anything else you want to tell people about it? Do you want to rate it?
Yeah.
All right, what do you rate it?
10 birds out of 10.
10 birds out of 10. Wonderful. Now, we've been doing sneak peeks. Do you want to do that again?
Yep.
What do we have next time? Ooh, can you spin it around to the other side? So another Harry Potter Lego. And this one is called the Flying Ford Anglia. Awesome. What else do you have to say to everybody?
Bye. Like and subscribe.